Hi guys, welcome back to Chao. Today I'm going to show you two different types of iced chocolate. One is a premium one using dark chocolate, 100% dark chocolate, and another is a regular one which you can find anywhere in your market using Ovaltine. Now Ovaltine here is not the 3-in-1, it must be pure Ovaltine. But bear in mind that Ovaltine is actually like milk chocolate. It already has creamer added to it. So starting with the premium one, I'm going to, this is just our own blend of dark chocolate, 70% dark, 1 level tablespoon of dark chocolate, there you go, and then we use 2 ounces of our milk syrup. One ounce, 2 ounces. And then we need only 4 ounces of hot water. Okay, so here. So we now have about 2 ounces there, so 3 ounces, so 4 ounces of hot water takes us to 7 ounces. Okay, that's 4 ounces of hot water. Now let's give it a good stir. Okay, so I'll put this one here. 4 ounces of hot water. Let's put 4 ounces of hot water here. And then we're going to use 1.5 tablespoon of Ovaltine. So 1.5 tablespoon. Okay. We need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And also 1.5 ounces of milk syrup. Okay. 1.5. Okay, so as you can see, the milk chocolate or the Ovaltine is lighter because I think that it actually includes milk or creamer in the blend, and this is a darker shade. Okay, so like always, we need to make our drink pretty, and the way to do it, we're going to put some milk broth on top. So let's blend our drink. This will just ensure our blend will be smooth and very well combined. And it gives you that frothy top. Okay, now the other one. Okay, there you go. There you have it. This is a premium dark chocolate, and this is using Ovaltine. 2 different types of iced chocolate. Should we give it a try? I'm actually curious how they compare. Okay, so I'll get a straw. If you have any sinkers, feel free to add them into your drinks. Okay. Right, I'll start with Ovaltine. Now, Ovaltine or Milo is just my personal preference. I prefer Ovaltine. It tastes like Ovaltine, and it's full body. And our premium dark chocolate. Now this tastes like real chocolate. Well, I can only tell you how it tastes like. It's up to you to serve the same thing or try this recipe at home and see for yourself the taste and which one is better for you. If you want to add this in your menu, in your milk tea or coffee shop. It is very, very simple. So let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.